In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step verification in your Google or Gmail account. With online security being of utmost importance these days, setting up two-step verification, also known as two-factor authentication, adds an additional layer of security to your account. It's like having a double lock on your door, ensuring that even if someone gets hold of your password, they won't be able to get into your account without that second factor of authentication. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and going to the Google Accounts page. You can do this by typing myaccount.google.com into the address bar. Once you've reached the page, make sure to sign in to the Gmail or Google account you want to secure if you're not already signed in. You'll see your profile picture at the top right corner if you are logged in correctly. Next, look for the Security menu within your account settings. This is where you'll set up the two-step verification. Once you've located it, click on the Security option, and you'll find a section labeled Signing in to Google. Within it, you'll see the option for two-step verification. Go ahead and click on it. When you click on two-step verification, you might be asked to sign in again for security reasons. This is just to ensure that it's really you making these changes, so input your password or any other required credentials. After this, Google will guide you through the process. You'll see an option to set up your phone number as a verification tool. This means that every time you sign into your account from a new or unknown device, Google will send a text message with a verification code to your phone. Enter your phone number and decide whether you want to receive codes via text message or a phone call, whichever is more convenient for you. For most people, receiving a text message tends to be the quickest option. After you've provided your phone number, Google will immediately send a test verification code to that number. Retrieve the code from your phone and input it into the field provided on your browser screen. Once you've entered the correct code, Google will confirm that the phone setup process was successful. You'll also see an option to turn on two-step verification. Click that button, and there you have it. Your Google account now has an added layer of security. Finally, it's worth noting that you can also add a backup method, such as the Google Authenticator app, which can generate codes even if you don't have cell reception. This is usually a good idea, especially if you travel a lot or find yourself in areas with limited cell service. And that's it. You've successfully enabled two-step verification on your Google account, providing you with peace of mind knowing your personal information is more secure. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on how to keep your digital life safe and secure.